Every day, tens of thousands of skilled workers report to a construction job site. Their jobs are highly technical, precise, and dangerous. One wrong move and the outcome could be catastrophic. Considering that there are roughly 150,000 construction site accidents each year, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, one would think the training is extensive and hands-on. Think again.
Workers today in this country are not getting the proper training that they need. You have 60% of the workforce today that is only taking written tests and not even a practical component of what they're supposed to be doing on a day-to-day job. You have people walking cranes, walking on scaffolds at 30, 40 stories that are high, that don't have that proper training. That is a major liability and a risk to their lives.
Because safety should be at the core of everything these men and women do, it raises the question, isn't there an innovative solution to give this workforce enhanced practical training without the risk? The answer is yes. By providing cutting-edge virtual reality simulations developed by NextWave Safety, construction companies are able to empower their workers and management to safely train on the job before they even step on an actual job site.
I've taught OSHA classes for almost 20 years now. It's very hard to bring safety training to life. In using virtual reality, you see that aspect come to life. Your test now becomes interactive. So we can use the OSHA subpart questions into our modules. And then the students practice that. So they may go through a lecture, they may go through everything that we still do as we interweave it into our curriculum, but we're also looking to take it that next step and have the test be interactive versus pen and paper. So in one of the environments, somebody inspects their harness. Then you go up 23 stories in the air and you're looking over Manhattan, walking out on a beam. This replicates that environment right here, and they're all standing on a concrete floor, safe and sound. It allows our apprentices to work with their muscle memory. So when the hazard presents itself, hopefully the reaction has a safe outcome and prevents injury.
The inclusion of virtual reality is removing barriers to training and creating new learning opportunities for untapped and often underserved sectors of the workforce. Through the convenience, cost efficiency, and effective power of immersive technologies, workers are able to continue their practical training safely and grow their careers.
We've taken the skilled workers and bridged that gap and created a hybrid of training that has never been done before. We put you in harm's way without putting you in harm. It's immersive. The pass rates have gone up over 90%. The retention is there. It's a skill set that you'll never be able to get in the practical portion, because how are you going to be working on a wind turbine 900 feet in the air from a practical portion without having this proper training? They can't teach you that in a textbook. This is the ultimate hybrid training that every worker should be getting, whether you're in a union or not.
To do this training in practicality would be way too dangerous and way too expensive. You don't have to shut down valuable machines to learn how to provide maintenance. You could do everything just with your VR headset on. It's portable, so it could be set up in different locations. If for companies that have multiple training centers, it's very easy to do. It's multilingual, and the fact that it's visual and hands-on, it goes across all language barriers, which is perfect for this diverse workforce that we have right now. It provides detailed reporting, so all the moves are tracked in the software, and users can then see a report card of anything they missed, any missteps, and go over with the instructors and with the safety personnel, so it carries over to a safer workplace. We do customizations for all sorts of clients. We can put our modules into their actual work site, into their manufacturing facility, and we can add their actual equipment into the module. So workers have hands-on training with the actual machines they'll be using in the field.
NextWave's VR simulations are a highly effective, cost-efficient training solution when compared to traditional learning methods, as workers learn by doing. Retaining knowledge that dramatically reduces workplace incidents, saves lives and money.
Our virtual reality software included an overall risk management program that saved our clients hundreds of thousands of dollars in insurance premiums based on our relationships with one of the largest insurers in the world.
I saw the value of the technology that NextWave brought to the table, the safety consciousness that they brought to the table. It's a nice partnership of the two to what we're trying to do to stay ahead of the curve to make sure our contractors see the value in using union carpenters on their job sites.
I'm passionate about this because I'm a 9/11 first responder and cancer survivor. It was a long journey for me, and our goal is to pay this forward and make everybody get training and the awareness that they need so they could go home to their families safe every single night.
To learn more, visit nextwavesafety.com.